Saturday, so we are going to do an activity, right? Today I am going to explain how to make a rabbit with craft paper. Yesterday I did how it is. See children? Uh, which things are required I am going to show children. We have to take a craft paper. Which color you want you can take, and scale, scissor, markers and glue. Okay, these things required to make a rabbit. Children, already I have taken the papers with the measurement. See, first this paper you have to take 28 and 14 inches. See children, see here, see 28 and 5 centimeters. Okay, you have to take like this, and see here, after that you take the scale and take a pencil and keep the mark at 14 centimeters. You have to keep the mark, right? Okay, then you see children here, you have to fold it like this. Both sides you have to fold it like this. You have to observe what I am doing. According to that you follow. Okay, understand? Then both you have to stick like this. Okay, now I am going to stick. According to that you also follow like that. Yes. Okay children, did you observe? Okay, now body is ready. Okay children, then we are going to take, see, 5 centimeters. That means both four sides are equal. 5 centimeters you have to take. See, this side also 5 centimeters. Okay, after that, see children, here you fold it like this. Fold it. Then I am going to mark. See children, I am going to mark like this. Okay, I am taking the scissor. And going to cut according to that mark. Okay, see, like that. Okay, again you take glue. And you stick like this. Okay, okay children, then you take 7 centimeters. Both sides 7 centimeters you have to take. Again you fold it. Again I am going to do the mark. See, okay, see, you divide as 2 parts. Okay, then I stick legs. I stick legs. See children. You have to stick like this. Okay. I am going to keep the glue. And this side also same. Okay. How I am following, you have to follow like this, children. Okay. Now legs and hands both ready. Okay. Then I am going to make face. I am going to make face. This is, see children, here this is 14 centimeters. 14 centimeters and one side is 11 centimeters. Okay, I am according to that I have taken. After that, see children, I am going to make a circle. See, I am going to make a circle like that. Okay, see children, already I have marked here. You can take any circle shape, you can take and mark like this. Okay, understood children? And middle you have to fold it like this. I am going to make a ears. I am going to make ears. See children, like that. Okay. At a time it will become 2 ears. See children. Just you observe. See, now the face is ready. Okay. Okay children. See children, here you can mark like this, ears. Okay. Then I am going to make eyes. How I am doing, once you see, you take a white paper like this. You take a white paper and draw oval shape. Okay. Then I am going to cut. See, these are eyes. Okay. I am taking a marker. See children, you have to stick like this. Okay. See children, here I am going to make mouth. Okay. Okay. Now the face is ready. Okay. Here I am going to attach the head. See children, you take a paper, 3.5 and 7 centimeter paper you have to take and fold it like this. Hold it like this. Going to attach this one. See children. Now the rabbit is ready children. See how it is. You can prepare and send to the sir WhatsApp as well as possible you can do. Thank you children.